Hey, look here. So, what was I saying about? That was the point I was saying about why people changes their behavior and why they feel jealousy of me with whenever we teach them about their faults, about their mistakes, about their errors. So let me clear the point. So if I'm a teacher and I teach a student named A, named B, you can assume anyone. So when I tell him his faults, his vices, his errors, etc., things which does not match to his real quality, and he also a noble boy, and he accepts his all faults and all errors and all the vices I tell him. For in the beginning of this conversation, in the beginning of this teaching, he accepts all his faults, and I knowingly and I happily teach him about his faults and about his errors. He normally takes all the vices and all his faults generally, and he generalized that, and he realized that that was really his faults and his errors. So after sometimes he starts to remove his vices, his errors, his mistakes, faults, etc., things according to the instructions which I give him to remove his vices and his errors. So happily he does so, and with the contentment he does so, and with the respect he does so. But after some time, when he removes all his voices, all his errors, then why he feels jealousy of me, who is his teacher, who is her teacher, then why he feels jealousy and other faults about me, why he understands me like a villain of his life. So the point which I am going to clear you, that is according to psychology. When he does so, then he wants to ignore his faults, which I have told him. So for ignoring his faults, for ignoring his voices, he have to ignore the person who told him about his faults, about his vices, about his errors. So that's the reason when he sees me, he watches me, then he realized that I was the person who told him about his faults, about his errors. So for ignoring his faults, he ignores us, he ignores me. That's the point I got very dangerously, and it is really very dangerous to understand that. So when we teaches someone about his faults, then we should be clear about his behavior, which will change after some time about us.